The Minister for Inner City and Zongo Development, Alhaji Abubakar Saddique Boniface, says his ministry will take over renovation works at the Salaga Islamic School in the northern region. The school is dilapidated and its walls hang dangerously, posing a threat to pupils and teachers. The minister made the observation when he toured parts of the region. Nuto Bibini Nuto has more.
The Inner City and Zongo Development Minister Alhaji Abubakar Saddique Boniface first called on the paramount chief of Pembe traditional area, Pembewura Bismarck Haruna. The traditional ruler was grateful to government for the multi-purpose sports complex and asked for an Islamic school to be built for the Pembe community. The minister and his entourage also inspected the Salaga Islamic primary school. The building had cracked, with parts of the wall falling apart. Alhaji Abubakar Saddique Boniface said the Akufo-Addo administration is particularly bent on developing Zongo communities, of which Salaga Zongo is no exception. To this end, he directed his development experts to fix the school immediately before any disaster strikes. Next on the list of the Zongo minister was the Salaga DA primary school. The minister had undertaken renovation works on the facility and needed to acquaint himself with the situation. Residents of Salaga expressed gratitude to government for the intervention. Also at the Salaga Zongo, construction works was being carried out on a multi-purpose sports park. Work had reached advanced stage with the sub-base, base and graveling works already done. The wire mesh was also in place, ready for the installation of flat lighting system. This facility is a green grass turf and not an astroturf. The Minister for Inner City and Zongo Development, Alhaji Abubakar Saddique Boniface, was happy with the job done so far and is scheduled to complete in 2 months. He noted that Zongo communities lagged behind in terms of development. It is to bridge the development gap, raise human resource capital, and leaders from the Zongos to contribute to the development of the country that the President Akufo-Addo, instituted the Inner City and Zongo Development Ministry. The minister gave the assurance that all Zongos will take their pride of place. GBC 24, Salaga.